job, Addie. You can do it. Billy, get your hand over there. Did you get it? Oh, it's still going? It's really tricky, isn't it? Did you get it that time? Okay, get the tool out without pulling it back out. There you go. And you have one more on the other corner. She's really good at construction. Good job. Are we ready to put that on the rest of it? Billy, can you line it up? Is that the right place? Okay, push it hard.
You don't know? How do you want me to help?
Lift it up a little bit so you can get a better angle at it. Yeah, now push it in. There you go, you got it. Great job. What's next? You're going to have to flip the page, I think.
Yep, flip the page.